Hello guys, welcome back to the Sterlinx Global channel. My name is Jay and I'm one of the account specialists of Sterlinx Global, a UK-based accounting firm specializing in e-commerce and traditional businesses. For today, we will focus on USA sales tax explained for UK Amazon FBA sellers. Are you a UK Amazon FBA seller looking to expand your business into the US market? While this can be an exciting opportunity, you should know about the complexities of US sales tax. As a UK seller, you may not be familiar with the US tax system, and navigating the sales tax laws can be overwhelming. However, understanding the basics of US sales tax is crucial for ensuring compliance and avoiding penalties. In this video, we will guide you through everything you need to know about US sales tax for Amazon sellers. What is sales tax? Before we discuss USA sales tax and the essence of UK Amazon sellers, let us first understand what it is. A sales tax is a tax on the sale of tangible goods and some services. Unlike that in the UK, sales tax is imposed at the state level in the US, which means that the rate and rules vary depending on the state in which the sales take place. The sales tax rates can range from 0% to over 10% on the state and local jurisdiction. This can be quite confusing, especially if you are selling your products to customers in multiple states. What is Nexus? We also need to understand the concept of Nexus. Nexus is a legal term that refers to a connection or presence in a state. As a UK Amazon FBA seller, you may have Nexus in a state if you have a warehouse or inventory stored or are selling your products in that state. The rules for determining Nexus can vary by state and be quite complex. If you have Nexus in a state, you may be required to collect and remit sales tax on all taxable sales made to customers in that state. Sales tax permit. A sales tax permit is a document that allows a business to accumulate and remit sales tax to the appropriate state tax authorities. Obtaining a sales tax permit is generally required before a company can begin collecting sales tax. The requirements to have a sales tax permit vary by state, but essentially businesses must provide certain information about their operations, such as their legal name and address, type of business, and other identifying information. Some states may also require additional information, such as a description of the products or services being sold, the estimated volume of sales, and other business-related information. How to manage sales tax. Once you have registered for a sales tax permit, managing your sales tax obligations is essential. You must accumulate sales tax on all taxable sales made to customers in states where you have Nexus. This typically involves adding the appropriate sales tax rate to the price of the goods or services sold and then regularly remitting that amount to the state tax authority. Sales tax automation software. If registering for a sales tax permit in each state where you have Nexus seems tedious, there is an alternative option. You can use sales tax automation software to help you manage your sales tax obligations. These software tools can help you determine where you have Nexus, calculate the correct sales tax rate, and even file your sales tax returns on your behalf. While using sales tax automation software may cost you some money, it can save you a lot of time and hassle in the long run. And there you go, we are done on some important points you must understand as a UK Amazon seller about USA sales tax. In addition, we have frequently asked questions or FAQs about this topic with answers that you may be interested in. Number 1. What happens if I fail to collect or remit sales tax? Failing to collect or remit sales tax can result in quite hefty penalties and fines. The rules may vary in each state regarding sales tax, but generally, the penalties for non-compliance can be a big deal. You could face fines, interest charges, and even legal action if you fail to comply with the sales tax regulations, which are definitely not something you want to deal with. In addition, it's worth noting that the tax authorities take non-compliance very seriously, and penalties can accumulate over time. Therefore, it's essential to understand your sales tax obligations and ensure that you collect and remit the correct sales tax amount to the appropriate state tax authorities. Number 2. Can I be exempt from collecting sales tax? There are some exemptions from sales tax, like resale or certain types of products. However, the rules for exemptions can vary by state and can be quite complex. For instance, some states may exempt clothing and footwear from sales tax, while others do not. Additionally, some states may require a specific exemption certificate for a customer to be exempt from sales tax, while others may allow a general resale certificate. It's a bit complicated, so it's a good idea to consult a tax professional for personalized advice on exemptions, since the rules can be pretty specific and may require documentation to support the exemption. Number 3. What if I make a mistake on my sales tax returns? If you make a mistake on your sales tax returns, you should correct it immediately. Depending on the type of mistake, the process for updating it may vary. For example, if you underreported your sales tax, you may need to file an amended return to correct the error. While if you overreported, you might need to request a refund from the state tax authority. If left incorrect, some mistakes may result in penalties or interest charges, so you must correct them as soon as possible to minimize the potential impact. In addition, keeping detailed records of your sales tax returns and related documentation is a good idea in case of an audit or other inquiry from the state tax authority. Staying compliant with U.S. sales tax regulations is crucial for avoiding penalties and protecting your business. We hope this blog post has provided you with some helpful insights and tips for managing your U.S. sales tax obligations as a UK Amazon FBA seller. And that's all for today. I hope this video helps you have an overview about USA sales tax for UK Amazon FBA sellers. And if you want more professional advice on your sales tax, check out the Sterlinx Global website at sterlinxglobal.com. If you enjoyed this content and want to learn more about accounting and taxation for business, please like the video and subscribe to our media channels. Again, I am Jay of Sterlinx Global, and I will see you next time.